So this is CapCut. Go to CapCut, open it up. Let me see. Let me log out so I'll show you guys how it's done. So go to CapCut, sign in with your POSD account. I have another account that I use because it's actually pay for it. Let me see if it lets me in. It should let me in. No, it's not letting me in. All right, let me go in with my regular account. All right, so you're gonna click here. You're gonna go to create new video. I thought I had it in dark mode. Anyway, you're gonna do the 16:9. Okay. There. Let me go to dark mode. Sorry, it's just theme dark mode. Like it's so bright. And then you're going to click to upload. There's a sample right here I have of Mr. Turnion. Thank you, Turnion. Upload. Okay. And it appears right in here. Now it appears here to the left as well. So I'm gonna add my splash screen over here. Let me add the splash screen. I think I have it somewhere. Mustangs media. Let me see. It should be here somewhere. Where is it? No, it's the wrong one. Here, let me download it really quick. Fast forward this. All right, I'm gonna upload it. I downloaded my splash screen. I'm gonna upload it in here. I knew it was the long one. I'll cut it. So yeah, see, it's a minute 26. I think I had because I had it looping. All right, I'm gonna add it in here. There's my splash screen. That's all I need. I'm gonna trim it there, just by selecting it. And I'm gonna select it with the arrow, delete. Then I'm gonna add a transition. I'm gonna add a blank screen here. Okay, you're gonna add a title and you're gonna add text to it. So let's add stock video. I'm gonna do a blank screen. Just black seat, yeah, put it right in there, just to give it some space to add some titles. If you want, you can add one of these little things. Just don't get too fancy. Okay, let me see. I'll add that one on there and see how it looks. Press the space bar. Press. It's kind of distracting a little bit, but if you wanted to do that, you can. Just don't, like I said, don't get too fancy with it. What's this one here? Yeah, they just have some weird stuff on there. So I'm gonna leave it with the black one. I'll just go back up here and move that one. And then you can stretch it, right? I'm sorry. With photos, you can stretch. Videos, you have to copy, select it, Command C, and then go to the area you want to extend it, and Command V. Drag it right in there. Sometimes it'll paste it on top. Then I'm going to add text, right? So the title of this project is, put your title in there. For this title, it's for the singers. So I'm going to add the headline and put it right in there. And then this is cool. So now you can add text, right? Basic text. You click over here, and then you have your fonts right in here. Again, don't get fancy with the fonts because they're hard to read when you use a lot of italics. Okay, so I'm gonna call this one. I'm gonna use this one here, and it's a little too large, so I'm gonna size it down. Then the project. What is a project? Where you have to put the name of the project that you're working on, right? So for the singers, it's called "What Skill Do I Want to Improve On Before Graduation?" What life skill? What life skill? What life skill will I improve on before graduation? And then I'm going to make this centered, selecting it, go centered. Okay, and then if you move it around, see like this, it'll center it for you. So you line it up, so like that. And then there's my splash screen coming in. All right, what life skill will I improve on before graduation? Usually leave it at a second per word. So that's good enough right there. And then I'm going to add just a little movement. It's kind of boring. I'm going to add a little movement to it. You can either loop them, right, or have it come in. I'm going to have this one come in just, let's see what this one looks like. No, I like that one. It's too. Let's see. Press play. No, it's too distracting. How about if I do this one? No, that's too so see, you gotta make sure they're not too distracting, you know. How about if I just do one that comes in instead? Just do this. Yeah, like that. And then you can slow it down. Oops, I forgot to turn off the loop. I'm gonna turn off the loop on this one. Let's go up. Turn off that one, then go to in. And then you gotta make sure it doesn't go too fast, right? Press play. That's okay. Maybe let it go a little slower. Let me see. 1 second. Right? And then it's easier just to do this. Okay, copy, Command C, Command V, and see it pastes it in there. I'm going to put the name, and then for, oh, it copied the video clip. My bad. Copy the clip, the text. Why is it doing that? I'm selecting the text, but it's copying the black screen underneath. So I'm going to copy, Command C, and Command V. Okay, it's acting a little funky here. I'm going to Command R to refresh it because it's kind of acting a little funky. Let's see if this works. Okay, Command C, select over here, Command V, so it'll paste it over here. Oh, come on, CapCut. Why are you doing this to me? See, look at edit, copy, edit, paste. And it's just not doing it. Thanks a lot, CapCut. Pain in the ass software. Copy, paste. Then I'm going to add the name. Oops, sorry. And then you can make it smaller, right? Put your class. You don't have to space. You don't have to. Oops, I put too much space there. So it'll play. What life skill will I improve on before graduation? Actually, I'll make it go. I don't like the comma. And I'll center it. I'm gonna go out here, center it, and then I'll make sure it's centered, just like that. And then move this in just like that. And there it goes.
What's up with?
And then you're gonna put a transition in there, right? Let's put a transition. Don't get too crazy. That one's fine. Let's see how it looks.
What's up?
Didn't even see anything. It didn't even do anything. Let's try it again. Let's do a pull-in transition. I'm gonna put it right there. Pull-in transition can only be. There's 2 clips right there. There's one there. Okay, this is going a little too crazy here.
What's up with y'all?
There it goes. It did it a little bit.
I was trying to tell y'all cons, man. And the last skill that I want to work on is time management. You know, I say time management because.
All right, so that's good. And then you're going to put you're gonna add some music in the background. Okay, so we're gonna add audio and just some background music, and then you can just find some. You're gonna need headphones. Okay. Sorry, it's really this one. So try to find here some. Let's try that one just for the sake of it, sake of time. And then I'm gonna put it right in here, right after the splash screen. All right, and then the music's gonna start. And then right there, I'm gonna split it, and then I'm gonna fade out the music, because you can't fade out the music like in Final Cut for CapCut. So I'm gonna click there. I'm gonna click on Basic. I'm gonna fade it out, just like that. Fade out. And then I'm gonna go to the next one, the next clip, the audio clip down here, and then I'm gonna lower it because it was already faded out. So let's see how that sounds.
What's up with y'all? It's your boy Terry on Cons, man.
So yeah, the music's still in the background here. I can still hear it.
What's up with y'all? It's your boy Terry on Cons, man. And the last skill that I want to work on is time management. You know.
There, and then you want to do a fade out at the end, right? You're gonna do a transition. Let me see. Let me go here. Oh, it's on this side. Sorry. Animation. It's called right over here. Animation out. Click one of these that you like, and then look at how. Let's play it.
No, I cheat. But yeah, I just want to work on time management.
So, and then he's gonna finish it more, right? Tarion, thank you very much. So I'm gonna click there. If that's where my music ends, I'm gonna split it right there. I don't know what's going on with CapCut today. And then I'm gonna fade it out. Fade out. Like that. So it's gonna fade. You can see how it's fading out there, and then put your splash screen again at the end. I'm gonna copy it, paste it, and then let this fade out too. I'm gonna click on it, animation. Where is it? Oh, it's on the video. Click on it, animation, then out. I'm just gonna fade that out. See how it does that. And so it'll just.
It's hard to juggle, especially with football. We practice day in time management.
See, like that. So the video needs a little editing because it's a little too bright. I don't know what happened here, Tarion, but it's a little too bright. You can add a filter, but on here, there's a way to edit it, but they don't really give you much options to edit. On the phone, they let you edit like with little levers and levels and everything with little dials and stuff. I don't understand why they don't let you do it here. They give you effects and transitions and filters, but they don't give you like manual dials and levers that you can move and to adjust it. So it's just, I guess CapCut's not there yet. So that's how you do it. Make sure you title it up here. I'm gonna put call it is it season 5 episode 2, right? Season 5 episode 2. What? Just put what life skill. Season 5 episode 2. And then when you're all done, you're gonna export it. Right? You're gonna export it 1080p and then boom. All right. So if you have any questions, let me know. You're gonna. Oh, sorry. You're going to wait for it to process, then you're going to download it. Okay, so call me over if you have questions. Thanks.